Hi everyone, today I will discuss about this production of lactic acid. Lactic acid is an organic acid. General molecular formula of lactic acid is CH3CHOH. Lactic acid can occur in mainly in two isomeric forms. One is the levo form, another one is dextro form. First of all, we discuss about this dextrolactic acid. Dextrolactic acid, in this lactic acid, OH group will be present in right side. Hence, it is known as dextrolactic acid. Another one is levolactic acid. In this lactic acid, OH group will be present in left side. It is known as levolactic acid. The isolation of lactic acid from milk was done in 1798. It was the first organic acid produced by microorganisms in 1880. Lactic acid is competitively produced both by microbiological and chemical methods. Microorganisms productions of lactic acid. Lactic acid producing bacteria broadly categorized into mainly two types. Heterofermentobacteria, another one is homofermentobacteria. Produced other products beside lactic acid will be not used in industrial production of lactic acid. Not useful for industrial production of lactic acid. It will be used in bacteria employed in only food or feed preservation. Another one is homofermentobacteria. This type of homofermentobacteria will be only used in industrial purpose. It will be another case we have previously also discussed about this heterofermentobacteria. It will be used not used in industrial purpose. Heterofermentobacteria will be used in only food or feed preservation. In this case, homofermentobacteria will be used in only industrial purpose of lactic acid. Lactobacillus species are used for lactic acid production. It is some substrate variations utilized substrate indicated below, like Lactobacillus delbrueckii, and also they contain Lactobacillus leishmani. This both bacteria will be used in production of glucose. Another one is Lactobacillus bulbocarius. It will and also Lactobacillus helvetii. These two bacteria will be used in production of whey or lactose. Another one is lactolactis. This type of bacteria will be used in production of maltose. Next one, biosynthesis of lactic acid. The synthesis of lactic acid can occur in glucose oxidation. It means oxidation. It means addition of oxygen molecule by removing of hydrogen molecule. It is known as oxidation. First, glucose molecule to form two molecules of pyruvic acid. In this reaction is known as glycolysis. Glycolysis, it means glucose chemically break down to form two molecules of pyruvic acid. In this glycolysis undergoes to form two molecules of ATP plus 2 phosphate to form two molecules of ATP. This reaction to NAD plus reduced to form two NADH. This type of reaction, glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate, are utilized by enzyme is known as lactate dehydrogenase to form a lactate. In this reaction, two molecules of pyruvic acid to form two molecules of lactic acid. First, glucose to form two molecules of pyruvate. Under the reaction is known as glycolysis. Again, two molecules of pyruvic acid to form a end product is known as two molecules of lactic acid. This is the biosynthesis of lactic acid. And next one is production process of lactic acid. The fermentation mediums, it contain 12 to 15% of glucose, nitrogen, phosphate, salts and micronutrients. This process is carried out by pH at 5.5 to 6.5 and temperature 45 to 50 centigrade, about 75 hours. Generally, the strains operating in higher temperature 45 to 69 centigrades preferred. It reduces in need for minimum sterilization. As the lactic acid produced by removed toxic to organisms, it can be achieved by a continuous technique by removal of lactic acid by electrodialysis. Theoretically, every molecule of glucose to form two molecules of lactic acid. About 90% of theoretical lactic acid possible in only fermentation industry. And next one is the lactic acid production process. This mainly lactic acid production process will be again divided into two types: chemical synthesis and microbial fermentation. Chemical synthesis first we discuss. Chemical synthesis to form a petrochemical resources. The again petrochemical resources to form acetaldehyde, CH3CHO, under acetaldehyde to form a lactonitrile, CH3CHO under hydrolysis by H2SO4 to form a racemic dextrolactic acid and levolactic acid. It is the chemical synthesis of lactic acid. Another one is microbial fermentation. This type of microbial fermentation, some type of bacteria will be involved. Exiting biomass or designed biomass. In this exited biomass or designed biomass, pre-treatment and enzyme hydrolysis to form a fermentable carbohydrates. Lactic acid fermentation by microorganisms to form a fermented culture. This type of fermented culture to form a optically pure dextro and levo acids under the separation and purification to form a optically pure dextro and levo lactic acid. And finally, recovery of lactic acid. This type of recovery of lactic acid, first fermentation broth. This type of fermentation broth, again the next step is heated to dissolve calcium lactate. This type of fermented broth will be heated to dissolve this type of fermented broth to dissolve a calcium lactate. This next step was by addition of H2SO4. This type of H2SO4 helps to remove a calcium sulfate. Is the again next step is filter and concentrate. This type of filter and concentrate, again next step addition of hexacyanoferment. This type of hexacyanoferment to remove heavy metals. The again next step is purification. It means ion exchange. The again next step is concentration. The final end product is lactic acid to form. This is the recovery of lactic acid. It is the end product to form a lactic acid. Thank you one and all.